Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 10.4, and today I will show you how to change your language on the device. So let's go into the settings, then System and Update, and find Language and Input, and in here, Language and Region. As you can see, we are set to English, so all we need to do now is tap on Add Language, find the language that we want to add, simply selecting it, and we can also change it automatically to this language by tapping Change. And as you can see, there it is. So if you have already two languages right here and you want to switch between them, all you need to do is drag the one that you want to use over on top of the other one. And as you can see, it automatically changes the language. So that is how you change the language on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.